4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a very cool song, Minnie the Moocher. Only 3 chords. E minor, 1, 2. We got a C major, 1, 2, 3, and we got a B7. All the chords in different variations. Alright, so it starts with when that horn line is playing. That's E minor, B7, E minor, E minor, B7, E. Down, down, up, down, down. E minor, B7. C, 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 B7, E minor. Let's do that again. Do, 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 do. E minor, B7, E minor, C, B7, E. And then the horn keeps playing a little bit, and that's E minor, C, B, E minor, C, B. When you start singing, we hang longer on the E, and then C, B, B, E. C, that part, we just stay on E minor, and I like to, just to make it a little more interesting, to add the pinky on G. Back to verse. E minor, C. At some point they play really fast, that part. Same chord, so E minor. Alright, so let's go over that one more time. It's just 3 chords, but it gets weird when it's like different timing and stuff. So it starts with E minor, B, E minor, the horn section. E minor, B, keeps playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, B, and then he starts singing. So you stay longer on the E when he starts singing. C, 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 B, B, E. And then the Heidi, Heidi, Ho, just E minor. Heidi, 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 Ho. verse one more time. Come on. There it is. Minnie the Moocher. What a cool song. Blues Brothers. That's where I heard it the first time. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. Fun stuff. I'll see you tomorrow with more classics. Be safe.